about AC through RL circuit, AC through RC circuit and AC through now LC circuit. AC through LC circuit. LC circuit, L means inductor, C means capacitor. Inductor and capacitor are connected in series to the AC generator. This LC circuit is called as oscillatory circuit. LC circuit is called oscillatory circuit. In this one we can't calculate the impedance and phase and peak current. Only we can calculate the oscillations. Number of oscillations in 1 second is called frequency. We calculate only the frequency from LC circuit. Now, LC circuit is a oscillatory circuit. It oscillates as simple oscillator. How it is oscillates? Like a mass loaded spring. Okay, now we want to show that this LC circuit is a oscillatory circuit or like a mass loaded spring. Now this is the LC circuit connected to the generator. If the source of ACMF, this one, is detached from it, works as, when it is detached, it works as oscillator. When it is detached, first we want to connect, then after removed or detached, now LC circuit is works as oscillatory circuit. Now we want to show that. Okay, now I am drawn like this. When the source is connected, capacitor stores the charges in it in the uniform electric field. Okay, first when the source of EMF is connected, first capacitor is fully charged. The capacitor is fully charged. We know the energy stored in the capacitor. Energy stored in the capacitor equation is half Q square by C. But inductor not store the energy. Inductor stores energy when the varying magnetic flux is linked with it. When varying magnetic flux is linked with it, it stores the energy. First, the generator gives EMF and gives current. We know that one capacitor stores the charges, flow of charge is called current. That's why capacitor first to store the charges in it in the form of uniform electric field. The energy stored in the capacitor is this. But energy is not stored the inductor. That's why UL is equal 0. Now it is like the mass loaded spring when it is pulled. This is the mass loaded spring when the mass is suspended. First it is at mean position. It is at mean position. Now you can pull it. It is extreme position. Then after oscillates. Means this is one mean position. It is one extreme position. This is another extreme position. When it is pulled, the mass loaded spring is pulled from the mean position, reaches the extreme position. Just like battery is connected, a source is connected, like that it is pulled. When it is pulled, it has which energy? Potential energy. What is the equation for the potential energy of the mass loaded spring? The potential energy of the mass loaded spring UP half kx square. Pulled, now release. Now released. Now it is oscillates. Battery is connected or source is connected. Capacitor stores. Now remove the source. Here also remove the applied force. Then these are charges are stores. Now these charges are flows towards which one? Inductor. To flow the charges. How many charges? For our convenience I will draw only 2. When that are flows, the flow of charge through the coil produce the magnetic flux along its axial line. Produce magnetic lines. Magnetic lines of forces are closed lines of forces. That's why I will draw like this. Now, when the source is removed, whatever the charges are stored, that slowly moves towards the inductor. When it is moves towards the inductor, along its axial and magnetic field is established. So, energy stored in the inductor is U is equal to half Li square, but already some charge is there, some energy is there in the capacitor, that is UC, capacitor half Q square by C. Now, it is like when we are pulled, it is extreme position, then after it moves upwards. When it is moves upwards, between extreme position and mean position, between extreme position and mean position, it has both energies like this. Means now this mass loaded spring is located here. I put arrow mark and tick mark. When it is here, means it is in between extreme position and mean position. It has both energies. Both energies means it has potential energy half kx square, kinetic energy half mv square, like this. Means here it has both energies. Electrical energy, magnetic energy. Here potential energy, kinetic energy. Then after this spring moves from here to here, it moves to the mean position. Moves to the mean position, I made tick mark. At mean position, potential energy, what happened? 0. Kinetic energies exist, half mv square. Similarly, all the charges are moves towards the inductor. All the charges are moves towards the inductor. There is no charge. There is no charge, there is no energy. Only it has a which one? Magnetic energy, that is half Li square. After that, this spring is now here, then after it wants to move in this direction. When it is moves in this direction, the spring, it must be located in between them. In between them, in between them, in between them. It has both energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. Potential energy again half kx square, kinetic energy half mv square, means at this place it has both energy. Similarly, in this one it is a third one, total magnetic field is there. Then after the current is passing through the which one? Again to the capacitor, but in the opposite direction. It is also first here, then after opposite direction. The arrow marks are now it is in downwards. Means here it has energy in the capacitor, energy in the inductor, like potential energy and kinetic energy, half Q square by C, energy in the capacitor, energy in the inductor, half Li square. This is the fourth step. Then after this mass loaded spring, from here to here it is reaches. Again it reaches the extreme position. First diagram extreme position, last diagram here fourth extreme position. Extreme position, it has which energy? Potential energy, but kinetic energy is 0. Here also, here the total charges from the fourth diagram to fifth diagram. Sorry, I changed the direction. Sorry, just a minute. Marks I put reverse. Here I put reverse, sorry. Like this. Okay, like this. Right here, from fourth to fifth, no electric lines is, no magnetic lines in the fifth one. So all are converted into electric. So totally energy is in the capacitor, that is U is equal to half Q square by C. But the energy is what happened? 0, like a mass loaded spring. Means LC circuit is works as a mass loaded spring. Means that's why it is called LC circuit is a oscillatory circuit. Especially this LC circuit is used in the working of mobile phones or walkie-talkies used by the police department. In that one, inductor and capacitor is present. Okay. Now, these are the 5 steps. Is shown that the LC circuit is a simple oscillatory circuit like a mass loaded spring. Is it clear? Now, we want to show that it is a simple oscillator circuit. How we can prove that? First, we take Kirchhoff voltage law for the diagram. Battery is detached, means source of EMF is detached. So, EL plus EC is equal to 0. What is EL? L di by dt plus Q by C is equal to 0. What is EL? EMF in the inductor. EC, EMF in the capacitor. We know that when I is equal to how much? dq by dt. So what we can get? L d square q by dt square plus q by c is equal to 0. Now from this we shown that the LC circuit is a oscillatory circuit. Now let us see how we can prove that. Now we can prove that like this. Okay, what is there? L, you take like this, d square q by dt square plus 1 by LC into q is equal to 0. Now d square q by dt square plus omega square q is equal to 0. This is the equation for the LC circuit. In this one, omega square is equal to 1 by LE, omega is equal to 1 by root LC. This is the frequency of the which one? LC circuit, but it is omega is angular frequency. But we know that omega is equal to how much? 2 pi n is equal to 1 by root LC. Then n is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 1 by root LC. This is the frequency of LC circuit. This is the frequency of LC circuit. Now the LC circuit is resembles to the which one? Mass loaded spring. Mass loaded spring is a simple oscillator. We know that in case of a simple oscillator, for simple oscillator, this we are studied in first year oscillation chapter. For simple oscillator, what is the formula? F proportional to minus x. F is equal to minus kx. What is F according to Newton's second law? Ma is equal to kx. M, what is A? Acceleration. What is acceleration? d square x by dt square is equal to minus kx. d square x by dt square is equal to minus k by m into x. d square x by dt square plus k by m, x is equal to 0. These are the derivations we are used in the first year oscillations chapter. Now let us see. This happened here. d square x by dt square. We know that k by m is equal to how much? Omega square x is equal to 0. Okay. Now what happened? This is coincide with the equation of this. Let us take this is equation 1 and equation 2. Means equation 1 is resembles to the equation 2. It is clear. It is clear that LC circuit is a oscillatory circuit like a mass loaded spring. Okay, right? This is the proof of LC circuit is a which one? Oscillatory circuit.